It's like Austin Powers with Mini Penny. Look at this cute little... Now, ladies and gentlemen, guess how old that little dog is. You're not going to guess. Here, go ahead, guess. You're wrong. Guess again. You're wrong. Guess again. You're right. 14. This cute little thing is 14. And look, do you see a resemblance? I shall call it Mini Penny. You know what, Penny? Maybe old age, advancing old age won't be so bad. I mean, look at this little guy. Look at that. So cute. You are so cute. 14. I can't believe it. YouTube, getting old is not as bad as you think. Right, Penny? You are so cute. Oh my God, you're so cute. Sweet.